Good morning, Hurricane. Welcome to the Hurricane News.
Today is Friday, March 6th.
The lunch for today is orange and teriyaki chicken.
The weather for today is a high of 85 and a low of 67 degrees.
Science students, it's almost time for March Memo Madness.
March Madness is a science-based tournament inspired by the NCAA bracket format where animals battle in simulated matchups based on real ecological research.
Outcomes are determined using scientific data about each species, behavior, habitat, adaptations, and more.
It's fun and engaging way to celebrate science, critical thinking, and a litter-friendly conversation.
This year, we are hosting an all-school competition, and both students and staff are invited to participate.
Teachers, there is a copy of directions and a bracket in your mailbox. This will really help when planning on which companions you will vote for in each round.
Here's how it will work. Fill out your Google form bracket before March 8th. Points will be awarded based on how your bracket performs throughout the tournament. The participant with the highest total points will win a trophy and earn house points for their house.
Ask your science teachers for more information.
Now on to the sports news.
Congratulations, Felix Lorenzo, for placing third in the district for shot put. Basketball practice is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday after school for boys, and Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday after school for girls. Also, the track team will be having their end-of-season celebration next Tuesday, March 10th, from 4:15 to 5:30 p.m. in the Leadership Hall. Students will need a signed permission slip to attend. Also, students need to turn in their track uniforms to Coach Jackson. Now back to our anchors.
That's all for today, Hurricanes. Remember to rise.